Are you interested in becoming a real property development LLM student? If so, here's a step-by-step video on how to apply. First, before you apply, make sure you meet the following requirements. All applicants to the Robert Traurig-Greenberg Traurig LL.M. in real property development must have earned, separate to the requirements of the joint JD LLM program, a JD or LLB degree from a law school approved by the American Bar Association or an equivalent law degree from a foreign law school. Applicants whose native language is not English are required to take the TOEFL exam. Now, to apply, you need to visit our website. Once you're on the site, you should click on Apply Now, which can be found on the far right side under Quick Links. Next, you'll be instructed to either log in or to create an account. If you're a new applicant, click here to register and fill out all of the required information. Next, you'll want to scroll down to where it says Instructions for the applicant to the graduate program in real property development. There will be a few different format options listed, and you should think about which format will work best for your schedule. You should also scroll down and read over the instructions in order to get an idea of all of the components of a completed application. We also encourage you to print these instructions for future reference. Next, you'll want to hit the back arrow, scroll down, and click Application for Admission to the Master of Laws program, which can be found under Applications. This will bring you to the official application. To the right of where it says Master of Laws program name, you should click on the drop-down and select Graduate Program in Real Property Development. In the next drop-down, you'll select whether you're opting to do a joint degree or solely a Master of Laws. Regardless of which degree option you select, in the next drop-down, you'll select your desired format, on campus or online. Next, you'll select whether you want to be a full-time or part-time student. Your selection will determine what semester you're able to start the program. Next, you'll enter all of your personal information. Following that, you upload your 500-word personal statement and your resume. You also fill out the contact information for the two individuals that will be submitting your 2 letters of recommendation. You'll finish up by filling out a little more personal information, paying your $50 application fee, and then finally, hitting Submit Application. Good luck! Applications are accepted and reviewed on a rolling basis.